almost 1.5 thousand for you. And even Sergio is winning. Pleasure to see that, Sergio. Let's go for more. Let's go for more. Little Lightning is back. Might be even 15 smart. Let's take a look. Well, it's not 15. We have 18. 18 and 500. And winning number is the 4. Albert, what do you mean by that? Even low number 4. Almost 3.3 thousand for Raju. And 809 players winning. Back we are with new one. Never receiving a lightning when I'm posting. Such a bad timing, right? Such a bad timing. 17, 22, and 31. 17 has 100 times lightning. Let's see we have from TF section and dozen. More than 890 players are winning and pretty close to 2.5 thousand for top winner. More than 1.8 thousand for Alex as well, which is not that bad as well. Last seconds on your side. Still that 0 is only number which is shaking. Happens as well. Let's go for the lightning anyway. I don't know where we have those lightning. Here we have 25, 33, 50 times lightning for each. We do have that 19 from first element second dozen. Almost 1.6 thousand for WRPTOT. 900, 3 players are winning. Back we are again. And still no activity on the grid. Okay. Only 32 and 26 is shaking. I really want to see those two numbers back at lightning. Like 26 and 32. Do we have them? Here is 11 and also 21. 100 times lightning for each. Seven we got. Odd number, which is pretty low one as well. 804 players are winning. And almost 1.6 thousand for WRTTOT. Yep, seems like lightning is kinda sweet. Hey, game winner. Pleasure to see you. Padam padam padam. La pa pa. Yep, that lightning is back. As you can see on 4, 10, 20 and also 23, 50 times lightning for each. Well, this time we have alpha lines and even number, which is 14. Hot one as well. More than 1.9 thousand for breed and 926 players winning. Happens game winner, it's just a start, it's just a start. We still have plenty of time. And a lot of sessions remaining as well. So little lightning, where are you? There we go, 20, 21 and 24. 24 and 200 times lightning for you. Fourth seed it is. Again. Opal, top number. 957 players. So winning more than 1.9 thousand for Bree. JD got more than 1.8 thousand as well, which is pretty amazing win. Especially without any lightning at all. Few money. Alright, little activity we have on 14, 24. Not anymore, now they are going away. Mohammed, on to the chat with some interesting, let's say, messages. Thank you. 24, 36, and 100 for each. And 6 it is. All clients per 1,824 players winning more than 2,500 goes for you, Jet. Jet, glad to see you here. Straight away starting with the top win, as always, as always. I really hope you're covering 26, 20, 20 to 32 and 36 as well. I hope so, Smart. I really hope you're right. Don't let me down. Here is 4 and 19. 19 and 100, I'm fighting. This time we have 18, which is gold number from third color. More than 1.8 thousand euros goes for me and also for you, JD. 818 players are winning. So the first round that we have it here. Beautiful Zero is trying to catch a lightning. 14 as well. And maybe they will. Let's take a look. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Lightning is back on that 4 and also 6. 100 times for each. Seven it is, odd number, which is pretty low one as well, and also from first dozen. 866 players are winning and close to 1.6 thousand for WRTTOT. Shame that you are not speaking WRTTOT, but I have a feeling I know why. 26, 32, 0 and the 4 could bring the first lightning win for me. Are you kidding me? I will have a first session without lightning? How is that even possible? Wow. 10, 18 and 25. 50 times lightning for each. Two. Even number from the third dozen. 986 players are winning. 7.8 thousand for you, OB. 2.4 for the second best win. That's what I'm talking about. And on Luco. You got a win as well? Well done, well done. Nice. Definitely good. I really hope you're placing bets on 36 as well. There we have 200 times lightning. 23 this time. Here sectional number also from the second dozen. More than 1.8 thousand for you all, 962 players with money. Okay, Blaze. Thank you for those commentaries. It was really necessary. 32, 36, and 0. We got this right. We got this indeed. I don't know if we will have 500 on 0. We can take a look. Maybe. I can see 1 and also 4. I prefer 1 and 200 times lightning. We receive even number from second dozen, almost 1.6 thousand for WRTTOT, and now that's far away from 900 players for receiving money. Last seconds to make those clicks and move those chips. And there goes the lightning numbers on your side. At least one of them, hopefully 5, to increase the possibility to get one of those lightning numbers. There I can see 7 and also 21. 21 receives 100 times lightning. 29. There does an odd number, 880 plus. For the top winner, and more than 3.7 thousand for K. Do I know any music in Portuguese? No, not a clue. I was only spending 5 days in Portugal. Three days in Porto and 2 days in Lisbon. Didn't listen a lot of music, sorry. 24, 33. 100 times fighting for each. And 0 receives. You're welcome, grand winner. Maybe you got a win from 0 as well? More than 2.1 thousand for top winner. 853 players are winning right now. Back we are again. 14, 26 and 29. Could bring back the light. Straight up bet for you, game winner. Pleasure, good payout, good payout. 29 and 32. 32 has 150 times lighting. What it is? Do I know Cristiano Ronaldo? Of course I do. One of the best football players. Oh, but I told one, that's the one. Almost 1.7 thousand for Sony. And 853 players are winning. Back we are again. A little bit more of that activity on the team. Badam. CS is necessary, okay, game winner? Well, maybe it will be 8. 8 and 500.
يا ربي في الثمانية يا ربي يا ربي يا رب ليه
And it is 8. My first lightning number is 500 times lightning. More than 71,000 goes for your B. 430 players gotten 499 to 1 payout. Ain't bad. Starting with 500. That's the spirit.